Hey, let me tell you the story about Parlay. Hey, yeah. Let me tell a story about Parlay. It was June 27, 2017. Parlay off the porch and he was barely fucking 17. Sneaking out the house, his mama know that he been selling weed. Sick and tired of starving there, night he making ends meet.
What up? What up, 1K gang? It's your boy Bart. Bart lost 1K. Back again with another banger video. Every video is a banger video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, bring a friend, and leave a friend. Today, we're just going car meet to car meet. You know what I'm saying? We down here in Sterling Heights, I believe this where we at. And yeah, we up here at the Cars and Coffee. I call them car meets. They call them Cars and Coffee. But yeah, Cars and Coffee in Sterling Heights, I believe, at Michigan. But yeah, that's what this video about. I'm just gonna be recording some leaving footage, some cars footage, and us just riding. So tap in.
What up, Paulo?
His name's Pablo!
Never put your trust in the soul, people sleaze. And don't never ask for help, cause they gon' play it like you need them. I'm a dog, turn your bitch to a dog, yeah I breed. They get a plate and they forget about the times you had to feed. Why you always at the stool forever making new trash? I stopped yelling years ago, I'm in my baby Smoove bag. Yeah, your bitch old news, she need to buy a new bag. Why you claiming you a killer, you ain't even like that? Why you claiming you a killer, you ain't even cut though? Niggas broke, see some hoes and quick to up that weak road. Niggas broke, pussy boy, my money long as Pico's. And you sick cause your bitch done came up off that deep throat. Yeah, I'm a sleaze, I ain't even tell nobody. Niggas wanna rap for real, to me this rapping shit a hobby. She a nasty little bitch, she tryna suck me in the lobby. Bro, your bitch is not thick, bro, she really short and stocky. And yeah, I like Jordan, so I buy a lot of shoes. How you claim that you a rapper, can't touch 10,000 views? Where I'm from, if you up, they tryna put you on the news. You think you got that bitch on lock, but that bitch really lose.
Well, the roll races.
Change pulleys and everything.
Alright.
It's like a aftermarket color, but I think it might actually be stock. Welcome to Dearborn. That's dope. You see me over there looking, sitting there looking, you know. Yeah. Actually, I think I'm finna move my car. Nah, I ain't gonna move it. I don't even feel like I don't even feel like moving my car, honestly. Look at this. This you call a sleeper. You still got the SS badges on it. And he got the covers that say Camaro. My bad. You got the covers that say Camaro instead of the real deals, but don't get it twisted. This mug is still the real deal. That was hard. Two Mustangs. There. Look at the hood. This hood go all the way up. Vertical. It's my type of speed right here. The Hellcat. Catch can on there. Painted valve covers. I like these wheels, man. These wheels so hard. Wish I could have got that type of steering wheel. Spike blue. Golly, look how far away his alternator is. Oh, somebody got a dog out here. Whole bunch of lime green things. Hi, buddy. Got some on the dyno over there. superchargers. Huge. I like the red. Red eye. I'm not saying a red eye. Nice though. Them tires on the back. I don't know what kind of tires these is, but everybody got them, and I need to get some. Heard they make you hook up better. This car was in front of me on the way here. Look loud. Big old 5-inch tip, maybe. I'm still learning, y'all, so don't try to embarrass me if that wasn't a 5-inch tip. I think these 5-inch tips too. But if it ain't, don't embarrass me, y'all. I like them brass wheels. Never seen the brass wheels. My bad, gang. We can walk over there in a second. I ain't really interested in nothing over there. Yeah, these are Mustangs. I ain't interested in nothing over here either. They got wheels or something. Well, I like that Mustang. That's nice. I ain't really interested in this other stuff. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I like that wrap. Nice color wrap. Man, I'm getting copyrighted, man. I'm gonna turn the camera off for a second, y'all.
Really hoes, I can see it in your eyes. And you really dying broke, I can see it in your eyes. Yeah, I nicknamed it Scotty, but it's really Turtle Pie. I can't listen to your songs cause you tell too many lies. I don't fuck with these niggas cause they can't fuck with me. You got like 37 bodies, bitch, you ain't touching me. Tryna fuck me for a name, bitch, you dying for the meat. Ain't gotta be up in the streets, but niggas dying in the streets. Never put your trust in the soul, people sleaze. And don't never ask for help cause they gon' play it like you need them. I'm a dog, turn your bitch to a dog, yeah, I breed. They get a plate and they forget about the times you had to feed. Why you always at the stew forever making new trash? I stopped yelling years ago, I'm in my baby Smoove bag. Yeah, yo bitch old news, she need to buy a new bag. Why you claiming you a killer, you ain't even like that. Feel like Soldier Boy, I just got some bathing in. Niggas need to pay some homage, cause I really paved the way. All I know is try to make $1,000 every day. Niggas cook, niggas finish, niggas stew, niggas bake.
Turn down. I've never seen nothing like this. I gotta get closer to the exit so I can catch him leaving. I never knew a damn Aurora sound like that. That was suck. I thought you gonna hit the curb. This little thing's so dangerous. I think you're supposed to be driving down the street.
Somebody hit you.
Ew.
Didn't he have that on the dyno? Yeah, just only you, JVR.
An old Lexus. Look at the fucking Lexus. That's quiet as a sewing machine though. Damn.
Hey, stop.
That.
You can hear it. Wheels on that thing.
That was decent. Nice. What they got going on? See some real muscle come out of there. Get out of the way, man. Go with the board in front of the way. God. Into this zone. Come on, man, get out of the way, man. Mustang ain't do shit. This thing ain't do nothing. Super good compared to that. I walk around with that bag on me. Jump in my hood with a half on me. I walk around with that strap on me. I walk around with that bag on me. Every time you see me, niggas, 2500 on me, nigga. Cause I walk around with that bag on me. I walk around.